Meaning of ially.
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 Ially. The suffix ially is commonly used in English to form adverbs from adjectives. It typically indicates the manner or way in which something happens or exists. For example, the word dramatically is formed by adding ially to the adjective dramatic. This adverb describes a manner in which something happened, with drama and excitement. Other examples include socially, officially, and personally, which all indicate the way in which something happens or exists in relation to social norms, official rules, or personal preferences. Overall, the suffix ially adds a layer of specificity and clarity to the adverb it forms.